The Volkswagen Golf VI from 2008 to 2016 features an electrically actuated fuel filler flap that's integrated with the car's central locking system. This flap unlocks through a solenoid mechanism when the proper signal is sent. Here's the fuel filler flap. It's the hinged door you see on the side of the car. The electrical actuation allows it to unlock remotely via the car's systems. The solenoid is the key component that mechanically unlocks the flap. It's powered by the car's electrical system and responds to the central locking commands. Underneath the flap is a twist-lock fuel cap, which provides additional security by requiring a twisting motion to open. For safety, the system prevents refueling while the engine is running to avoid fire risks, and it automatically locks when the car is locked. There's also a manual override for emergencies when the electrical system fails. First, ensure your Golf VI is unlocked using the key fob or key in the door. Next, locate the fuel filler unlock button. It's typically on the driver's door panel near the window controls or on the center console, indicated by a gas pump icon. Press and hold this button for 1 to 2 seconds. You should hear a click as the flap unlocks. Now, exit the car and manually open the flap, which is hinged and swings outward. Unscrew the fuel cap counterclockwise to refuel. If the electrical system fails due to a dead battery or blown fuse, the automatic unlock button won't work. This is where the manual override becomes essential. A blown fuse, for example, can disable the fuel flap actuator. You can check the fuse box in the car's interior. For emergency access, locate the small lock on the exterior of the fuel flap. Insert your car key into this lock. Turn the key to unlock the flap manually. This provides crucial access when the car's electrical system is down. Several issues can prevent the fuel flap from opening. A blown fuse in the central locking system is a common culprit. This fuse powers the electrical components that control the flap mechanism. A faulty solenoid actuator can also prevent unlocking. This device uses an electromagnetic coil to move a plunger that releases the flap. When it fails, the flap remains locked. Corrosion on the locking mechanism, especially in older models, can cause it to jam. Moisture and salt can build up, preventing the mechanical parts from moving smoothly. Lastly, ensure you're pressing the correct button. Mistaking it for the trunk release is a common user error. The fuel flap button is typically marked with a fuel pump icon. Before seeking professional help, start by checking the fuse for the central locking system. Locate the fuse box under the dashboard on the driver's side and find the fuse labeled for central locking or fuel flap. If it's blown, replace it with a new one of the same amperage. Next, apply WD-40 or a similar lubricant to the flap hinge and locking mechanism. This can loosen any stuck parts caused by corrosion or dirt. Spray generously and let it penetrate for a few minutes before trying to open the flap. If the flap is still stuck, try gently prying it open while simultaneously pressing the unlock button inside the car. Use a flat tool like a screwdriver, but be careful not to damage the flap. Apply steady pressure and listen for a click. If these steps don't work, use the manual override. Insert the key into the small lock on the fuel flap exterior and turn it to unlock. This bypasses the electrical system for emergency access. In 2025, Volkswagen issued a recall for select 2012-2013 Golf V6 models due to faulty fuel filler actuators. This affected about 50,000 units worldwide, where the flap fails to open due to solenoid failure. Symptoms include the fuel flap not unlocking when the button is pressed. If your model is affected, contact your local Volkswagen dealer for a free solenoid replacement. Experts recommend performing annual checks for corrosion around the fuel flap area to catch issues early. Regular lubrication of the hinge and locking mechanism can prevent future problems and ensure smooth operation. If you live in a humid climate, consider applying a protective coating to prevent corrosion and extend the system's lifespan. Ensure your car battery is in good condition, as a weak battery can affect the electrical system's ability to unlock the flap. As automotive technology advances toward electrification, the Golf V6's fuel system is becoming a legacy design. Future vehicles will replace fuel tanks with charging ports. However, understanding the Golf VC system provides valuable insight into automotive engineering principles and the transition from internal combustion engines to electric vehicles. This knowledge is historically important.